Good morning, students. Today we will discuss word problem in 3 digit of subtraction. First, we will understand what is word problem. Word problem is a mathematical problem described in the form of story. Hence, it is often called story sums. These are some keywords for subtraction, like how many are left, remains, subtract, less than, etc. Let's understand how to solve a word problem. First, we need to underline the keyword, circle the numbers, and form a statement on the basis of numbers circled. After that, solve the story problem. Let's solve on notebook. So here is the first question. Our first step should be to read out the statement. A shop has 430 bottles of honey. 213 bottles got sold. How many bottles are remaining? So our next step is to understand the statement. A shop. There is a shop having 430 bottles of honey. एक शॉप में 430 bottles हैं honey की. 213 bottles got sold. Sold means sell. बेच दी गई. तो कितनी बॉटल्स उन्होंने बेच दी हैं? 213 bottles. Yes. Now, how many bottles are remaining? तो कितनी बोतल जो है वो remains है, means बची है अब हमारे पास उस शॉप में. In next step, we need to underline the keyword. So here is the keyword remaining, and next we need to circle the numbers 430 and 213. Now we need to make a statement with the help of these numbers. Look here, I have already written 100, tens and ones, and as we know, we always leave a space for the numbers that we will borrow. Now tell me, how many total number of bottles are there in a shop? Yes, total bottles is equal to 430. So 4 is at 100 place, 3 is at tens place, and 0 is at ones place. Now how many bottles are sold? Yes, sold bottles is equal to 213, and here we need to mark a sign of subtraction. Now we need to find remaining bottles. For this, we have to subtract 213 from 430. Let's start. So at ones place, here we have 0, which is less than 3. That means we need to borrow a number from tens place. So here at tens place we are left with 2 tens, and here at ones place we have 10 ones. Now we have to count after 3 till 10. So count with me. What comes after 3? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop here. We have to count these boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It means when we subtract 3 from 10, we get 7. Now we have to count from 1 to 2. So the answer is 1. Now we have to count from 2 till 4 because 4 is greater than 2. So 3 and 4. Answer is 2. So remaining bottles is equal to 217. Let's solve another example. First we need to read out the story problem. Ravi distributed in school 60 chocolates. From 120 chocolates he had. How many chocolates are remaining now? Next step is to understand the statement. So the first line is a boy named Ravi. उसके पास 120 चॉकलेट्स थी. उसमें से उसने 60 चॉकलेट जो है वो डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दी अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ. नाउ हाउ मेनी चॉकलेट्स आर रिमेनिंग नाउ. अब उसके पास कितनी चॉकलेट्स रिमेन हैं, बची हैं. Our next step is to underline the keyword and to circle the numbers. So here we have 60 and 120. So with the help of these numbers we need to make a statement. So tell me how many total chocolates Ravi had? Yes, total chocolates is equal to 120. Write these numbers just at their places. Now how many chocolates he distributed? Yes, 60 chocolates. Look, this number is of 2 digit. So 0 is at 1's place and 6 is at 10's place. Right here, distributed chocolates. So how many chocolates are remaining? For this, we need to subtract 60 from 120. Let's solve this. At 1's place we have 0 and 0. So when we subtract 0 from 0, we get 0. Okay, now at 10's place, here we have 2 which is less than 6. So we need to borrow 100. So when we borrow 100, here we are left with 0 and here we have 12. So count after 6 till 12. So what comes after 6? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many boxes? Yes, 6. So remaining chocolates are 60.